Hi there, it's Beauty Junkie. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you my Sephora spring sale picks. So let's get started. Alright, here's the details of the Beauty Insider Sephora sale. If you're a Rouge member, you get 20% off starting this Friday, the 17th through May 1st. If you're a VIB member, you get 15% off starting the 21st, which is next Tuesday. And then if you're an insider, you get 10% off. That's pretty much for anybody that signs up. You get 10% off starting the 23rd. So this sale happens twice a year, once in the spring, once during the holidays. So if you miss this one, there'll be another one coming around soon, and it'll be like the same structure, 20, 15, and 10% off. I know it's not a great time to spend for everyone right now, but don't worry, there'll be another opportunity later. But also, these products are sold at a lot of different websites, so there might be other sales going on. I would always check out the brand specific website to see if you can get like some sort of money off just for signing up, through their email subscription. Usually websites and brands will give you at least like 15% off just for buying something as a first-time customer. So check that stuff out if you really need something. But yeah, that's it. Alright, so I have quite a few things in my cart right now. I'm not sure what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to save for later. But there's a few things on sale right now that I want to sweep up while I can. Sephora collection. These false eyelashes are rated really highly and they're only $5. I want to start using lashes more. I don't want to pay like 30 bucks for one pair though. So I am going to try these, especially they're at a really great price. I've heard so many things about this highlighter, the cookie highlighter from Benefit, that I'm really curious. So I want to see what all the hype is about. So I have a feeling I'm going to run out of my Laura Mercier loose setting powder soon, and I want to try a different setting powder, and I heard a lot of good things about this one. I really wish Sephora had the what is it called, the like hydra powder by Terry, the by Terry hydra powder. I really wish they carried that, but they don't, otherwise I would pick that up. I am in need of a good eye primer. I've heard mixed reviews about this one, so I may need to do a little more research, but I saw some other YouTubers use it and they really like it, so I don't know. Dominique Cosmetics. So this is kind of a boring palette for what it is, but honestly I looked through my collection the other day of mostly single shadows and I don't have really all the colors, all the neutral colors, especially mattes, that I need. So I wouldn't mind having like a kind of a basic palette like this, especially as someone that doesn't own a ton of palettes. I've also heard like this is a really a fan favorite, the Fenty gloss, and so I want to try that. I'm going to pick up some House of Lashes eyelash glue. The glue that I have, it's from Kiss. It's okay. I wouldn't mind trying something else. So this conditioner I've never used before, but I want to use a purple conditioner. I have a purple shampoo that I like, but I want to incorporate a conditioner as well, and this one had really positive reviews. There's not actually that many purple shampoos on Sephora or conditioners on Sephora's website. There's only like a handful of brands actually carry something like this. Kerastase also carries a mask, but I think I'm just gonna stick with the conditioner and try that out. This is another false lash. Again, $5. Can't really beat that. I've heard so many great things about this. I'm just starting to get into Charlotte Tilbury. And I heard this is like a cult favorite. It's kind of what my cart is really all about, is cult favorites for the most part. Plus me just wanting to try a couple things. So this lipstick, the Pat McGrath Luxe Trance. So I have a matte lipstick from her and I really like it. And it's a couple years old now, but I'm still using it. But I want to try this other formula, which wasn't available on the Pat McGrath website. I actually purchased a couple other things from her website a couple days ago because she's having a 25% off sale if you spend $150. So I got some other things on that site, but this was not available. So I got it on here. You still get 20% off for your VIB Rouge. This is like the #1 like mascara primer on Sephora. So I'm gonna try the mini. I just want, my lashes are really short, so I really want to like help them out a lot more than I am now, which is pretty much doing nothing. I contemplated getting like a Pat McGrath lip liner, but it's pretty expensive, so I wanted to try out one of the Sephora collection ones in like a rosy shade, and I'm hoping this one will work out. So this glow recipe, heard a lot of great things about it. The mister is really good. I actually, the Tatcha like mist, I had in my cart first, but then I realized like how little product I was getting for the money. And so I looked at like the other mist. I'm like, I'm actually gonna get the glow recipe, even though I don't really care about watermelon smell. Like, it was just a better value for the money. So that is what is in my cart right now. A lot of like fan favorites, as I said before, and then a couple things I just want to really try. I do have a gift card, so that's gonna help out with the balance, but just remember, like, I know we shouldn't be spending like a whole lot of money right now. We should really be saving up, but just remember this sale happens twice a year. If you miss it now, that's fine. There's another one in the fall near the holidays. You might want to do a little Christmas shopping then anyway. But then again, like if you're running out of your staples and you feel like you have to have some things, it's a good time to stock up, plus throw in a few new things. I think that's always a good idea. But, be smart, think about it. If you have a gift card, use it. If you have 2,500 points, there was a $100 Sephora reward offered today. They've been offering them a lot more lately, which is cool. But Tuesdays and Thursdays, the rewards come out. Check them at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I actually just used a $100 reward, and I don't have enough for another one. Otherwise, I would have picked up another one to reduce my basket cost. So anyways, those are my picks. What are you guys planning to buy? Alright, so just a tip on the Sephora Rewards and redeeming 2,500 points for $100. You can't actually use that in conjunction with the promotion code for the sale. So you have to do that in two separate transactions. You'll have to spend $100 in one go. So spend the full amount and then do another transaction and order the rest of your products with the 20% off. You can use gift cards with the 20% off, you just can't use the $100 reward with that discount. So just an FYI. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Can't wait to hear about what you're going to buy. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.